Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Today we're going to make a really simple, summery yet healthy and delicious recipe, which is for my Asian chicken salad. So let's get right to that recipe. We're going to start by breaking down our leftover roasted chicken breast. So we're going to take all this meat and get that into our bowl. Okay, so with our chicken fully broken down, we're going to add some vegetables into our bowl. So we've got some carrots, cucumber, some red pepper, some spring onions and some purple radishes. So we'll start with this little chilli first. It's going to give us some beautiful little pockets of heat. So slicing a carrot nice and thin, but keeping it thick enough, just so we get a little bit of texture. Next, go for our red pepper. So take this into 4 and just slice. Next, we go for our cucumbers. So slice off the edges. Remove the core as it's quite wet. Next, move on to our radishes. Finally, our spring onions. Okay, so that's our chicken salad mix done. Gonna move on to making the dressing. So, gonna start off with some soy sauce. Next, we'll go for some mirin. That'll give some acidity and some sweetness. Go for some sesame oil for the flavour and for the roundness. There we go. Loads of cracked black pepper. Give it a little bit of warmth, a little bit of spice. Next, going to go for some fresh lime zest. Plenty of lime zest. Next, we will and we're going to just take these segments out. Take this lime, squeeze the rest of the juice into the pot. For these segments, we're just going to slice into small pieces and we're going to pop these into our salad bowl. These are going to give us beautiful little pockets of acidity and bursts of flavour. So now we've got our sauce. What we need to do is just thicken this up, so let's get this onto the hob. So while it's coming to the boil, let's just mix through. We've just got some arrowroot, which we've mixed with a little bit of water. Get this into our sauce. See that starting to gel, really stick to our salad. Okay, so now with our sauce cooling, final few ingredients to add into our salad. So we've got some bean sprouts, and I've just blanched these for 20 seconds in some boiling water, just to add some more carbohydrates and grains into our mix. I've got some cooked quinoa, so also add some beautiful texture. We've got some coriander for some flavour, some greenery as well. Dressing's now ready, so let's get that and let's mix this all through. In the bowl, just to finish, we'll add some extra colour, some toasted cashew nuts, finishing with some of those coriander leaves, black sesame seeds, some white sesame seeds. And here is our Asian chicken salad done.